Snow, snow, snow everywhere. We got about a foot, and it's still snowing here in Westminster, Colorado. Brr. So what better to do than sit out back and dream of warmer times, springtime, summertime. Right around the corner, bring on the summer, bring on the heat, bring on some sunshine. And nothing says warmer weather better than Sam Adams Alpine Spring, other than maybe some peanuts. Anyway, if you're like me, and I know I am, I can't wait for the snow to stop and the sunshine to come out and the warmer weather to smack me in my face. Me and Sam Adams, of course. Sam Adams Alpine Spring. If you haven't tried it yet, give it a shot. In fact, try 6 tonight and let me know tomorrow how you feel. I guarantee you're going to feel a little springy. Have a great weekend. Stay warm. Bring on some sunshine.